Welcome guys, today we are going to be looking at how we can use the orthogonal axis generator in ProtaStructure. So here you have to go in modeling and you are going to find the command where it says orthogonal axis generator. So click here on the orthogonal axis generator and go here down here on your grids. So you have to select a point where you want your drawing to start from. So I'll select this point here and I'm going to have this on my screen. So here there is where it says labeled A. So here it means here the first part here means you are in your Y axis, then the second part here it's in your X axis. So then here where it says axis spacing, so here where it says 5000 by 3, it means there is a 5000 millimeters by 3, so it means the total length here is about 15,000 millimeters. Then here I can change this. Maybe if you don't want it to be 5000, you can change this and you can make here, you can say maybe 3000 millimeters by 4, like that. Then here where it said 5000, here again you can change this to 4000 millimeters by, let's say, by 2, and you can go here on OK. You can see here we have 2 and here we have 1 2 3 4. So this is how you can use the orthogonal axis generator in order to make your drawings in a very fast way. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.